Here it is, all installed. Looks really cool, and it's adjustable. Don't mind that mess. You could lower it by taking out one of these beams, or just make it like a tabletop with just the bottom ones. Really cool. Casts a cool light up onto the wall. Move these pictures off so I could take the video. It was easy to assemble, kind of fun. Looks sturdy enough, and yeah, really cool. Didn't think I'd like it as much as I do, but it's a hit. My wife likes it. I like how it's casting the light out of each leaf. It kind of looks like, it gives it vibrant and good energy to the room, which who couldn't need that? I hope this video helps you with your buying decision. Today I'm going to be reviewing this Lotus floor lamp and installing it. Pretty cool design, comes with all these wooden pieces. As you can see here, there's all these wooden pieces right here, like this. You snap them all together. Going to go ahead and build it right now. Even cooler, it comes with a light bulb. None of these lights ever come with light bulbs that I review, that people send me to review, so I really like that. Let's go ahead and build it, and then once it's all built, see how well it works. So it was very easy to put together. You just follow the directions, then just snap them in place. Just make sure you feel the good click. You put the big piece on the round one on the top and then the smaller one on the bottom. Then you alternate A and B as you go. Very simple and pretty fun. Took me maybe 12 minutes, and that included filming it all. Then you get this thing, and then you just kind of you wedge all of the bigger pieces up top, and you just keep going, alternating each one with the bigger pieces. They're all lettered, and then you finish it off with all the rest of them, and it starts to take shape. It doesn't look like they're all going to fit, but they really do, and it really gives it this nice, real floral-like pattern, and I just really like how it looks when finished. And it didn't take up much shipping material. Just thread the stalks together and then put it on, then put on the bulb, and you're all done.